This is part 2 of the syllabus. Now you have created your syllabi and you're in the process of working on it and adding information to it. The first step is you'd want to choose grading information. And then if you have this from any other place, you can copy and paste it in here, or you can go ahead and type it in this box, or you can try to import it from a bank or library, because there are some examples out there depending on what you're at. So that's why I clicked on import from bank or library. We're going to leave it grading information bank. So we'll just go ahead and hit search, or actually we're going to do the library. And then you can see that there's 3 of them in there. You can use the information bank if you've already created a grading information for another previous course. In my case, I have not done that, so I'm not using that. But for example, I think I'm going to use Western's grading scale, so I'm going to click on that. And it's going to come up and it's going to show this. And I think this is perfect, so I'm going to hit save. And so now you can see that that's in my box. And once I've done that, I'm going to hit save and close. Always remember to hit the save or save and close as you go on, otherwise there's definitely a potential of losing information. So the next area is we're going to add guidelines. And these are anything that are specific to your syllabi that you include every time that you create a syllabus. So I'm going to put it into edit mode again. And this time I'm going to import from a bank or a library right away, because I know I have information out there about blended attendance. And so I want to include that because this is a blended course as well. Now yours could be something like, your assignment schedules or anything like that. Now these are from the library, so these are already in there and you can certainly use those. But what I want to do is I want to go to the guideline bank. And I'm going to type in the name of a project that I know I have them in. So the class is Operations Management. I'm going to go ahead and hit search. And so this is, I typed in management and it should be Operation Management. I'm going to hit search. So once again, you can put in the number or the title. And that's going to bring up this course, which is the one I was looking for. And then you can see that I have several different code or things in there that I could include or take from it. For this particular one, I'm just going to go ahead and choose the blended attendance. I'm going to hit save. And so now I have the blended attendance in there. The other guideline that you need to add is the college required guidelines, so you need to click on that button. I'm going to hit cancel. I must have hit the wrong one. We want to add a guideline. Import from a bank or library. And for this one, we want to make sure that we choose the required college syllabus guidelines, number 18, which is, if you use the syllabus checklist, you'll see that that's a required document, and that's going to give you all of your ADA, student handbook, withdrawal information, so it's all in there, and you don't have to worry about updating this because this will actually be updated by someone else, so you'll always know when you choose that it's the most current, which is one of the advantages of doing this. So now we've got our guidelines in there, so our last step is to go ahead and do a quick print, and I will create another video on that to make sure that we don't run out of time. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and that will be it for this second video.